everyone. I hope you guys have sweet and wonderful day. We are so exciting today because we are going on Niagara cruise tour. Over to you, KB.
Woohoo! Yeah, we are so excited, and it's going to be a very challenging and adventurous journey. We just bought the ticket you just saw on the screen. We're heading towards down to the cruise. We pick up our poncho. You just saw that, and here we go. You saw that the other cruise is just coming back, and we are waiting so he can return it back, and we can boat on. So our boat is already launched and we already set it up ourselves on the boat, just waiting to row. So here you see everybody has poncho on them, and I put it on myself as well. You can see my funny face. Oh wow. And here you go, we are
Here
heading
you
towards, yeah,
go.
so it's so amazing. It's gonna be a beautiful journey. You can see behind is a rainbow bridge and the American side viewpoint as well.
Oh
uh,
my
wow.
god.
You see those seagull, they don't
Yeah.
need any ticket
Yeah.
and don't need any helicopters or any boat. They are, is it not amazing, dear?
It's very amazing.
They don't need anything. So
All
anyways,
the time they have the free package.
yeah, free package all the time. And included, it's an inclusive free package, right? So
Yeah.
everything is there. So anyways, so here we go. We are heading towards the Niagara Fall horseshoe. Oh man, the wind is really gusty and the mist of the Niagara Fall is just like the rain, dear. Oh,
Yeah.
oh shoot, wow. It's so amazing and fantastic. And we actually, when we are going close to the Niagara Fall, actually it's a kind of a fog. You can see from above camera, you can see how we were there. And just like it actually, when you are standing on the cruise, you can't imagine, like you are just thinking you are just like under the Niagara Fall water. Really, I'm telling you, it's a nice experience. And sir,
Oh, KB, it's a wonderful experience and it's once in a lifetime opportunity.
oh wow.
You cannot forget for your whole life.
For sure, I can guarantee everybody it's gonna be a lifetime
Everybody
opportunity.
should experience this
Yeah, for sure.
tour.
Yeah. Look at here, look at us, like
Uh,
how it's just raining on us and how I'm wet, you know.
you just take a shower.
Yeah, I just took a shower. Actually, it's a more than shower, right? So look at that amazing view when you're
Oh my
standing on the, oh
god, it's
wow.
a so beautiful
Look at that. Look at
view.
that. And
I
it's just,
cannot imagine my eyes.
wow. And it's feel like you are standing in front of the landscape, right?
Yeah.
It's like it's an artificial landscape. But anyways, it is really good experience. I never ever found like that before in my whole life. Here how you look like when you done and enjoyed the Niagara Falls shower. It was so amazing, guys.
Guys, we just returned back from an amazing journey and here is another cruise is ready to take it on. KB, how is the experience?
It was really adventurous experience. We touched the water, it went into my mouth as well, and I felt it. It was a journey of full excitement with 15 to 20-minute cruise ride, and the price is 37 and a half Canadian dollar.
So, KB, which is better, chopper or cruise?
Both are rides, but you can feel Niagara Fall in real time through cruise as how the pressure of the water.
And how fast it is running in front of your eyes. My dreams comes true by standing under the Niagara Fall and touching the water and feel it.
So excited, eh?
Yeah.
Here is the food court on your way back. You can sit, relax, and eat. It is amazing to sit here. We just missed this zip line. So thrilling, and you guys can feel the thrill in the sound of the people. Here you go. We are heading out right now from the Niagara Fall. We are on Clifton Hill. There are a lot of fun and activities you can see in this video. We are stopped by at Halibut House Fish and Chips on our way back. We order halibut fish and chips. You can see in coming videos the review of this meal is the portion was so small. Chips was really good, but the portion of the halibut was so small.
Guys, please keep watching our other interesting Ontario's vacation series vlogs, and thanks for watching.